Let's talk some more about rapid feedback. Let's start with a really simple idea, that feedback makes your idea better, but only feedback from people who have tried your idea. Feedback from people who have just heard about it isn't really that useful. They haven't really tried your idea, they've just heard about it. The more often you can get feedback and incorporate it into your idea, the faster the idea improves. To do rapid feedback, you need to have a short cycle time. What's the cycle time? Good question. I'm glad you asked. Before you can get any feedback, you need to do some work, so you've got something to get feedback on. And to do that, you have to go through a few steps. For example, in order to create a video like this one, the steps I have to go through are set up camera, set up microphone, set up lights, write script, record video, check it recorded, pack away lights, pack away microphone, pack away camera, copy files to computer, edit video, publish video. Or when we add new idea to a bit of software, then the steps are think up idea, write down story, refine story, team accepts story, team builds the story, check the story, demo the story, deploy the story. Let's take a more complex example. Imagine you work for a software agency. Then the steps might look something like get an email from someone wanting to work with you to build something, talk to them, find out what they want, explain how you would build what they want, agree to work together, agree a start date, sign contracts, start working, discuss the first stories. All the steps from the last example, repeat the last few steps. By the way, these are all examples of something called a value chain. The cycle time is how long it takes one piece of work to go from the beginning of the value chain to the end of the value chain. The cycle time defines how often you can get feedback. Let's say that every time you get a piece of feedback, you can improve your idea by 1%. And remember, you're getting improvements on improvements. So if your cycle time is 1 week, that means in the course of a year, you can do 52 cycles, 52 improvements. That's a 67% improvement. On the other hand, if your cycle time is 6 months, then every year you get to do 2 cycles or a 2% improvement. I know which one I'd want.